No! It popped out of there! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a little bit different. It is very late at night, 10:55. I don't know if you can see that, but it's 10:55. And I have decided to make takoyaki. I've been trying to get all of the ingredients and wanting to make it for a while now. And I finally have all of the ingredients. So takoyaki is this. I will put them up at the screen right here so you guys would know how it looks like. So this is already pre-packaged for takoyaki. It has all of the, well, not all of it, but then just the dry ingredients all in here. Usually you would have to just buy takoyaki flour, I think, and then everything else separately. And also everything on this bag is in Japanese. I don't know what's in here. Also because this is my first time, so I wanted to film for you guys to see my fails or success, if this is a success. So in the bag, I opened it. It has the flour, 150 grams of flour in here. And then it also comes with these three, which I don't know what they are yet. So I'm gonna have to like open it to find out what it is. But this has 20 grams of something in there. I'm just gonna open it. Okay, before all of this, I just bought separately things that I would need to make takoyaki with because I wasn't sure what were in these bags. So I already bought the fried wheat flour separately, and also just like seaweed to top it off. I don't know what these are called, but I will put them on the screen. And these aren't exactly the right ones for takoyaki, but the lady at the store said that it kind of works the same because they didn't have any more of the other ones that I needed. This is the fried wheat flour. Put these in when you put the batter into the machine to cook. So we can set that aside for now. I don't know what this is. This red package right here. Okay, so these are actually dried red ginger, which I also have already bought from the store. Fresh ones. It looks longer than this, but then you're supposed to chop it up because you're gonna put this inside with the batter. So we can put that off to the side for now too. And I guess I don't know, because this is a really small package. I don't know how much we even need to put in the takoyaki. And then this green package, I don't know what it is either. It might be the seaweed because it's in the green package. Kind of look like they color coordinated everything. And my guess is right. It is the seaweed, which I've already bought another pack of that, so we can put that off to the side. Okay, so in the back, it did show that you need 2 eggs for the batter. Oop, I need to go grab oil. But 510 cc, which my sister searched that up for me. And it was 2.8 cups of water. And then just the squid, oh no. And then just the octopus, which I couldn't find the big octopus. So I only bought baby octopus and just cut it up. So the way you cook the octopus is you rinse the octopus and then you just get a pot of water, however much water, and then just like put in some salt and then boil. What I did was I boiled the water and then I put in the octopus when the water finished boiling, and then I just turned the fire all the way to low and let that simmer for 45 minutes. Well, I actually did it for 40 minutes, but yeah, that's how you cook the octopus. So they have 2 eggs. I have 2 eggs right here. And then they chopped up 2 green onions, which I did that here. I just chopped up some cilantro because I remember having some takoyaki with cilantro and I really liked it. Okay, so that's all we need to know for now. I'm gonna make the batter right now. So I'm gonna open the flour. I'm gonna mix it in this bowl. And if you guys can hear the dogs, that's my neighbor's dog. I'm just gonna pour it all in here. So I have the flour in here. I'm gonna crack the 2 eggs. And then I already measured 2.8 water. 2.8 cups of water in this bowl, and I'm just gonna pour it in here. And then now we mix it. So I just remember that, oh, little egg snot. So I just remembered that people actually whisked it. So I changed to this whisk. Well, yeah, that is the best I can do with whisking. I'm gonna use this. It's like a measurement cup with the little beak right here so that I can pour it easily into the machine. Okay, so now this is the machine that we cook it in. It has little holes. It has 18 holes, and right here is just a power button. You just turn it on and turn it off. It don't have any temperature or anything. It's just on and off. These are the little stick where we can use to flip them. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, but this is the Octopus. So the first step is to turn it on, wait until it gets hot, and then we're gonna pour in some oil. I'm gonna pour in oil into one of them and then just use a little brush to like get the oil to spread it to everywhere else on the pan. I know this is big, but I don't have a smaller one. Also, you're supposed to like have a decent amount of oil in each so that the batter wouldn't get stuck. So I already could feel heat coming. We're just gonna wait a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna pour in the oil. Okay, it's already getting hot, so I'm just gonna start pouring the oil. This is pure canola oil, but you can use any kind of oil. You can even use butter if you want. Okay, so I poured a little bit too much oil, but wow, I'm scared. So I just turned it off because the heat was too high, and then I'm just gonna coat the rest of the pan with the oil. Yeah, I recommend to coat this thing with oil before you turn on the heat because it will start popping, and it did pop on me. Anyways, I'm just gonna turn it back on and then wait maybe a few seconds, and I'm gonna pour in the batter. Okay, so now I'm gonna start pouring in the batter. Wow. This is not going really well. This thing doesn't pour really good. Oh, now it starts pouring good. Okay, I know why now. Okay. And then we just wait for a little bit. I don't know how long. Just gonna wait until it kind of looks cooked, and then we're going to put in our ingredient, which is the red ginger, the green onion, and the octopus, and then the fried wheat flour. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a little bit of octopus in each. So I don't know how to check when it's ready, but then you can just kind of flip one to the side to see if it's golden brown underneath, and if it's not, then it's not ready yet. Let me just show you guys close up. So that is how it's looking right now. Steaming and getting ready to get flipped. Since it's bunched up like this, you just kind of cut and then try to flip it. So this is my first time doing this. Yeah. goodness, this is kind of hard to do. So they're all flipped. You just kind of want to flip them to the side for a little bit, I think, and then you will flip them all the way around. Whoa! It popped out of there! Did you guys see? So I didn't know that takoyaki, I didn't know how scary it is to make takoyaki, but yeah, this one over here popped off and now it's on the table. So yeah, it's just kind of harder to control the heat on a machine because this doesn't have, you know, anything where we can control the heat. So I'm gonna take the smaller ones out because I don't want them to burn. Some of them are actually coming out pretty good. So this is how it looks right now, sitting in there. That's the one that popped out of its place. I plated a few of them already that looks kind of burnt. So these over here, the furthest from the power button, looks like it has more heat. I think they all look cooked, so I'm just gonna turn that off and then just plate all of them. So for the topping, I bought the Kewpie Mayonnaise. It's sweeter than regular mayonnaise. I just bought this at the Asian store. And then I bought the Okonomi sauce, which it says takoyaki up here too, so I thought that they can be the same. I also found this at the Asian store. It just has the circular tip up there. And then after that, I'm just gonna top it off with the seaweed. And then on top of that, I'm just gonna put some of these flakes on top, but kind of rip them because these are a bit too big. And this is how they turn out to look like. They smell exactly like the ones that I see from stores and stuff. Also, the reason why these thin stuff are moving is because it's thin and the takoyakis are hot, so that's why they're moving, not because they're alive. Okay, so also I'm gonna top it off with some cilantro. Okay, now this is the final look. So I'm just gonna taste it because this is the first time that I made these. Pretty proud of them. Okay. These are so good. They taste exactly like the one that I had at the night market. Yeah, that happened here in California. It is so good. I recommend you guys to make it at home because these are actually kind of pricey if you find them in restaurants and stuff. I really recommend you guys to make this at home. It is very easy. Oil pops at you, but it is worth it. And one of the takoyaki popped off the pan too, but it was all worth it. Okay, so that's the end of this video and I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys also try out this recipe because it's really good. It's actually a Japanese street food. But yeah, it's very easy, very simple to make. I don't know why I didn't try making this sooner, but... So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!